Why does polymer clay break? Well, the answer to that is usually that you didn't bake it for the right time and temperature. So just follow the instructions on your package. If you're mixing clays, you will want to bake for the longest time at the highest temperature that the two clays together will tolerate, because then you know that all of the plasticizers have come out of the clay and the clay is cured properly. Most breakage of polymer clay comes because it was not baked properly or because you fiddled with it too much right out of the oven, when the clay is still kind of malleable and soft and not cooled all the way through. So I like to bake on a tile like this one, and I will wait until the entire tile and every piece of clay on here is completely cool before I go plucking my pieces off the tile, because if they were still warm when I did that, they would be more likely to crack. So enjoy and make sure you follow the directions.